Want to make it easier for visitors to connect with you or your brand? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add social media icons to your WordPress site. By the end, you'll know how to display those clickable little icons in your header or footer, letting people find your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or wherever you're active, making your site look polished and connected. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to add the social icons block to the area where you want your icons to appear. On WordPress, you'll find your site's layout in the navigation sidebar. Think about whether you want your social icons in the footer, the header, or maybe a sidebar. It's totally up to you, but your audience should be able to find them easily. For this example, I'm heading to Patterns and then Footer. Once you're in the spot you want, look for the little plus sign, the block inserter. This is your key to adding anything new on a WordPress page. Click that and in the search bar type social icons. You'll see a block pop up with a bunch of familiar platform logos. Click to add this block to your page. If the spot doesn't look perfect right away, don't worry, you can always move or adjust its placement later. Now let's add your actual platforms. Inside the social icons block, you'll see another plus sign. This is how you add the platforms that matter to you. Click the plus and you'll get a list to choose from: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. You get the idea. Maybe you're only on some of these, and that's fine. You don't have to add every possible network, just pick the ones your visitors actually use. For example, if you run a design portfolio and mostly use Instagram and LinkedIn, go ahead and add just those. Next, it's time to make those icons actually link to your pages. For each icon you just added, click directly on it. You'll see a little field pop up. This is where you paste or type in the URL to your social profile. For example, your Facebook page's direct link or your Instagram handle's full web address. This step is super important because if someone tries to click an icon and it doesn't go anywhere, it feels like a dead end on your website. After you enter the link, you'll need to press enter or click the apply button, usually a little curved arrow, to save it. Don't worry if you forget this at first, WordPress will often remind you. With your icons in place, let's make them match your design. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the block settings sidebar where you can customize your icon's appearance. You can adjust their size, pick different colors to match your branding, or even change how they behave, like whether they open in a new tab, which is a good idea so visitors don't lose your site entirely. Take a minute to experiment and preview how things look. These small touches can really help your site feel more professional. Once you're happy, hit save or publish up in the top right. This step pushes your changes live. If you don't see the updates right away, try refreshing your site or clearing your browser cache. And there you have it. Your social media icons are now proudly displayed and working, making it easy for your audience to connect with you off your website as well. If this was helpful, give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any snags. I'm here to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you next time.